Vande Mataram. Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Sheetalam. Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Sheetalam Shasya Shyamalam Mataram. Vande Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Shubhra Jyotsna Pulkit Yamini. Shubhra Jyotsna Pulkit Yamini. Ullak Samita Ramadal Shobhini.
My name is Shweta. This is my son Vyom. So he's studying in N2. We were here to, for the independence celebration. We really thank the entire Freethinking family for arranging this parade. I think it was beautifully arranged with a lot of enthusiasm, and it was overwhelming to see all the parents come with their children early morning and walk this parade.
Freedom of speech has been an old tag now, so freedom of mind is and freedom of soul has been a new thing which Freethinking School has done. Today I've been remembering my old days when in school we used to have an Independence Day. It was a long time back, it's almost like 25 years down the line, okay, and it was very refreshing to have play cards of your own languages and different thinking. That's a free thinking. So they made individual child to think on their own what unity is all about, what they think about the unity.
I really loved it for once because it was a very great idea for kids to participate, and then the parents' involvement was amazing because we all took the parade together, and not only that, he enjoyed, he walked all the way, he was shouting Jai. It was an amazing experience for us as a parent to see our 2-year-old doing all of this and smiling and having placard and whatnot. So it was really amazing. Thanks a lot, Freethinking School and team.